Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jeremy from Octane TV. Today we're going to be doing a video on these TOZO NC3. These are active noise cancellation headphones. We're going to be doing an unboxing and a review on these actual particular model of new earphones that TOZO has came out with. So we're going to unbox them, we're going to try them a little bit, see what they're like, and see how they're different than all the other TOZO earbuds that we've actually done a review on in the past. Stay tuned. So we're going to start with the unboxing. They come in this nice little white box right here. So we're going to unbox this and show you all the components and all the parts that come with these actual earbuds. All right, so let's go through everything that it comes with. This is the slider piece that was on the actual white tray here. It does come with your instructions and quick guide on how to use everything, which is really nice that they do that. It comes with your USB. It is a type C to regular type USB cable right here. And then it comes with a lot of these different little pieces right here to change on the actual earbud itself for different size ears, which that's really nice that they give you those as well, because most of these don't even give you those options. And then here is the actual case. It does have a little button on the back right here you can push, and that will show you the display and show you how much battery life is on each earbud, which is really cool. So that button is right here on the back right here. You push that, and then when you push that, it's going to tell you how much battery life you have. That's awesome. That is really cool. And how much the case has as well. So here's what happens when you open up the case. It is nice. It is plastic. Some of the other ones I've done are metal, but I mean, it's plastic. It feels nice. It does have your USB type C down here on the bottom, where you can charge it. And then, like I said, if you push this little button right here on the back, it tells you your digital display. And inside here is the actual earphones, earbuds, whatever you'd like to call them. Focus on this likes to just be crazy, but I'm going to show you each one of these and kind of how they work. When you pull them out, they do feel very, very sturdy. There's the manifolds. I don't know why this thing has such a hard time focusing. It's up close, but they do look really nice. Because they're kind of like the ones I used to have a long time ago that were like over the ear, like hang over the ear style, kind of like the old AirPods, but they do look really nice. The biggest question is how do they sound? And also, how will they, feel comfortability? Like, I want to make sure that they're going to be extremely comfortable. I hate when earbuds are not comfortable. So let's go ahead and put one in and see how they feel. Oh, it does feel good. Oh, wow. That feels really comfortable. That's kind of crazy. And there it is inside. That's what it kind of looks like in there. But man, it is comfortable. I don't even kind of feel that it's even in there. It fits amazing in there. Let me connect them to the phone, see how they sound, and see how the noise cancellation part works and everything like that. Okay, so we're gonna go to our Bluetooth here. We're gonna see how easy it is to connect. And I have a lot of earbuds and a lot of stuff, so I apologize. Oh, well, that was fast. There's TOZO right there. Boom. Connect, pair. That was fast. Okay, these are, oh wow. These have definitely got me for the Bluetooth connectivity extremely quick. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and play some music in here, kind of see what it sounds like and see how loud I can get them. I'm gonna turn it all the way up. I've only got one in, so I can still do this video, but I wanna see what it's gonna sound like and how good. It sounds really, really, really good. So that's awesome. The comfortability on these is by far the best out of any earbud I've actually had in my ear. The biggest thing for me is it irritates my ear while I'm working or doing something. I can't wear it because it keeps having issues. The other ones, the problems I have is they will fall out because they're not in there very good, and then they'll fall out while I'm working for a while, or I get a bunch of sweat in my ear, it'll just slide right out while I'm working. So that's the only thing that kind of sucks. But this, it sounds really good. The comfortability is amazing, so I will definitely rate it one of the best on comfortability. But I'm listening to music right now and it sounds awesome. I'm gonna try to put both of them in while I'm recording this video. Let's see what it sounds like with both. Oh wow. Oh wow. So I'm all the way up. They sound really good. They sound really good. The sound, so the sound is not extremely loud, but it is very clear, and it does have a lot of bass. So if you like a lot of bass, they are very bassy. Let's play this and see, because it sounded like I could change, sounded like I touched this and it could change the song. How did I do it? Because I was touching this and it changed the song. Maybe I can't. Maybe, oh, there. Okay, so maybe I'm wrong on that one, but they do fit extremely well in the ear. Kind of show you. They fit extremely well. Comfortability wise, definitely one of the best. Top probably 3 or 4 I have used. Sound wise, they are very, very good. I will say that the sound is awesome. They're not the loudest I've ever heard, but the quality is good. They have a lot of bass. I can't say a bad word about them so far. I mean, if you're like a person that wants an extremely loud earphone this style, this would probably not be the loudest one you'd ever use, but it will be obviously the most comfortable, clearest, and has a lot of bass. So that's what I can kind of tell you on that. Now, they do have a built-in EQ for TOZO's app where you can change a lot of those things. So you could probably mic them up, you could change the bass, you could change the treble and all that kind of stuff. But as far as comfortability goes, it fits perfect. I can't even tell it's even in my ear. I mean, it literally is that comfortable. So I really would rate these a really good earbud if you're looking for something that has a digital display, which is awesome. I mean, that's amazing. It has a digital display. The way the earbud comes down versus the ones that don't have it or just shoves into your ear, this works a lot better. I would say overall, these are about a 9.2 out of 10. I really would rate these really well. The only thing I would, for me, I like my music extremely loud, but I have different earbuds for different occasions. If I want something extremely loud, that's a different type of earbud. I want something kind of like over the ear, big, like old school 80s style. I use these mainly for when I'm trying to work and I only have one earbud in so I can still hear what's going on, but I have one earbud in listening to my music. That's where these would work really well for me. I also like that all my other cases do not have this digital display to tell me how much I have left. So that is the biggest 2 features I like about this is the digital display on the front. That helps me to know if they're almost dead or close to dead, because the other ones have like just a little LED bar. They don't actually tell you by numbers. The other thing is the comfortability. I really, really like the way these fit in my ear, and I'm extremely picky when it comes to these things fitting in my ear. Either they fall out or they're too tight and they hurt my ear and irritate my ear and I have to take it out. I can't have it in for longer than 30 minutes. So in all reality, these are a very, very, very good earbud if those are the qualities that you're looking for. Now, if you have any more questions on them, you're more welcome to leave a comment down below in the comment section. I'll try to answer them as well, as good as I can. And I will also be doing a 30-day follow-up, maybe 30 to 60-day follow-up, and I'll use them all the time and see how they go, because this is my first time ever using them. So understand that it's gonna be a little bit different after I use them for like 30 to 60 days, and it'll kind of give me more of a grasp of how these work. So this is more of an unboxing, kind of telling you what I think, showing you some great features about them and some of the things I don't like about them. But we'll do a 30, 60-day follow-up on these, and I'll let you know exactly what I think after using them for an extended period of time. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll walk around with them a little bit on this video and kind of see what they sound like as well with me moving. We'll see how that goes as well. Okay, what I'd like to do with this video is I would like to see with me walking how they hold up on actual like movement with my head to see if they're gonna fall out. They do not feel like they're gonna fall out. They're in there really good and in there really secure. And with me walking, I cannot feel like it's not irritating my ear or anything. So in all reality, they're in there really solid. They're not irritating my ear and they sound really good. Those are the three most important things to me when I'm doing these earbuds. So if that's something that you're looking for, I would highly recommend it.